Alright, welcome to my channel guys, and today I'm going to show you guys how to turn your iPhone 14 Pro Max into Galaxy phone. Now as we can see right here, I got iPhone 14 Pro Max as a deep purple color that I'm using, and as we can see it is right now it's just like iPhone. Everything you see is iPhone right here, and nothing else but iPhone. And I'm going to show you guys how to turn this iPhone into Samsung Galaxy phone. Now it's really simple, really easy, and the reason I'm making this video because sometime if you just want to have experience of the Galaxy phone without buying a Galaxy phone or without spending any money, and you can try that everything on your iPhone because we already have iPhone. So now without further ado, let me show you guys. So what do you want to do? You want to open up your Safari, and in the Safari search bar you want to type in Samsung iTest, just like that you see in search bar. And then once you search that, the first tab right here, try Galaxy on your iPhone, click on that. And then once you click on that, you will see this page right here. And what you want to do, you want to click on this arrow right there, and then you want to scroll all the way down till you see add to home screen right there. Add to home screen, just like that, and you will see this page right here, try Galaxy, and you want to click on edit. And just like that, when you exit, as we can see, I already had one downloaded. I just wanted to show you guys how to do this. So now I got two of the icons right here. So it's that simple. That's all you have to do. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this up and we'll see what happens. So we're gonna open this second one, and as we can see, we got this page right here, and it says try Galaxy, welcome to the other side. You are about to get a little taste of Samsung Galaxy without changing phone. So now from here, all you want to do is hit next right here in the bottom, and hit next again, and just like that we got Galaxy, just like the Galaxy phone came out of a box. As we can see right here, same welcome to the other side, and watch out for next message and hint. So as we can see right there, it says swipe left for same handy shortcuts. And then in the bottom we got the navigations, go home and go back, just like suggested on the Galaxy. So we're gonna hit got it, and just like that, our iPhone 14 Pro turned into Galaxy, as we can see right there, just like that. And we got everything, all the apps and everything. If we scroll to the left, we got the Galaxy search bar, and we're gonna hit this home button in the bottom, and will take us to main screen. And then we open the phone tab right there, just like that. We got the phone, we're gonna hit back, and we got the messaging app right here, as we can see. And then we got the camera right there.
Welcome to the Samsung Galaxy camera.
There you go. So you got the introductions.
Still here. This clip is all
and
about
we're gonna
the
swipe up,
Galaxy Z
and just like that we exit.
Flip 4. I'll be using it to snap some stunning birthday.
And then we got the setting icon right there, and as we can see, we got the Samsung account. We got everything just like Samsung, nothing changes. And even as we can see right here, about phone, user manual, and software update, everything. So basically we got Samsung with a notch. So it's that simple, that easy. And I'm going to put all the links in the description below. If you have any question or if you have any concern please let me know in the comments below. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.